welcome back to Creations by Kim. I also have my grandson here. We'll call him G-Kid number 2, and he has selected these colors. It happens to be the same colors that G-Kid number 3 selected, but we're going to hope that it comes out a little bit different. Oh, do we want to make cells, make a bunch of circles in it? We could put drops of this in there.
No thanks.
You don't want any?
Nope.
You sure? Only one color? No? G-Kid 2 does not want any silicone in his pouring. Sure. Because we got to do it now.
Let's go.
With it, without?
What?
You confused me. Let's go with it or without? Without? Okay. Alright. So, which color do you want to go in the cup first? We're going to do colors, and then we'll
Yellow, blue, red.
Okay, so we'll rotate like this. Okay.
Just like mine. Yellow, blue, red.
Let's see. Okay, I don't have much paint. Hopefully I have enough. So we ran out of pouring medium, which I'm sure I've got. I don't have any glue at the house either. Yeah, this is going to be a really shallow pouring.
Yes, I just did it right.
Okay. And then we're going to do some red.
I hope I get some purple and green in there.
Ooh. You know how to mix your colors.
I found it out because blue, like a darker light blue, plus like a regular or dark red equals. I got powering the lamp. What? I was powering the lamp. We need more power. Power up. Fire it up.
Okay.
Time per power. Fire it up.
Okay. Blue.
Whoa. Look how much yellow there is now. Like,
Because as we're pouring it in the middle, it's pushing the paint up the sides. It's already in the cup.
we need a fire the lamp on. Fire up the lamp. Fire.
Okay.
Fire it up. Fire it. Fire it up.
Okay.
Fire it up. Fire it up.
All right.
I got a fire.
Final color. You excited to see how this turns out?
Yep. Dirty cup. Kiki, all three of us use different colors, different cups.
Yep.
Me and Brent are using the same colors. I hope I get some like dark or light
Okay.
purple.
Here we go. All right.
Let's do this.
We ready?
Yep.
Take it like this.
Look,
Get a pen. Help the paint pour down.
okay, who wants to power it up?
We're going to let that run down.
I see it.
G-Kid 3, his was pouring out from under there already. I was able to hold it tighter when I popped the hole. And now my cup is staying in place. It's helping everything run down.
Look at mine. It's slightly.
Now when we get ready to pick it up, do we want to pick it straight up or do you want to drag it around?
Straight up.
Straight up, okay.
Like, ready. I want to pick it up. 2,
Yeah.
1.
Okay, we think it's ready? Okay. You ready? You can either come up real slow or fast. However you want to do it. Come on. Ooh. I'm going to scrape, since we were kind of poor on paint, we're going to scrape this out.
Hey, look! I got some tiny bits of green. Hey, I see some purple. You do my purple. Hey, did that sound like a vindicator?
I don't know. Did it?
That's how vindicators sound. When they're mad. No, all the time. Really?
Okay. Well, that's spreading out.
You're gonna we don't do.
You almost have a perfect circle around the outside, don't you? Okay, we ready to start tilting?
Tilting what?
The paint. Come here. Did you not see me tilt earlier?
No, because they were downstairs.
Okay.
Alright, let's tilt. Oh!
Okay, is there any part of it you really like the looks of it? Do you like all the red? Oh, look how, see we're getting dots? Okay, or we got this spiral or this? Because as I tilt, some of it's going to run off. And you can plan it by what you let run off. A little
Other
on
way.
this side.
Look, it's a Z! I made a Z! Up, up, up. North. Which way?
Oh, go the other way?
Yes. Okay, guys. This way literally north?
Actually, yes. That way is north.
East, south, west. Never thought you off of news. The news.
Okay, how are we doing here, G-Kid 2?
It's exercise. All right. Whoa. 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 This is. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
This is the news.
Go back this way.
South. West, west. West.
Well, we got to get it back down
To do it the way you get.
this way so that it's not. Let's see.
Whoa, I like you have to make it stuck.
Turn over here so you can see it.
Nice. Hey, I see some orange. Dude, someone bring. Dude, there's 3 mixtures we could get. Green, purple, and orange. Red and yellow. Orange. Did you know? Did you how to make this stuff?
Let's see. Do you want me to try to make it stretch to the corners? Let me try something because I think we're kind of thin on paint.
Look, there's. I can't power this. Look, 3. 1 nut. How are there tiny little cool dots? Look, a target. It's wrapped around by yellow and blue.
So you like this?
And then blue and then red. Look at those random dots of blue, red, and yellow. And there's a target.
Yep, this is definitely one where we didn't have enough paint.
cool.
Yes, it is.
Well, better than... We got some orange out of this thing. I never expected orange until I noticed the combination. Look, the orange. Whoa! A blue and yellow target. Like, this is super cool.
Okay.
Wait, are me and Brent gonna take them home?
After they dry, and then I can put a final coat on them to help them
Like, stay how
really
they
good
are?
looking. Mm-hmm.
Brent, I got some random orange. That one's super heavy.
Let's see.
That's heavy. Try the best you can.
Yep. That's going to take a little while.
We're almost. Yes, we got it. We got it all the way up there.
Let's see.
Now we let it. I said blue. No. I want to do the big one. I don't know how to get up there. And now I played it out. Get it. Well, I do the level. So, this one attaches. Let's power the lamp. Fire up. The lamp. We need to get more power for the lamp. We need more power for that. I think I got a plate. Kiki,
Hmm.
can you please stop your second hand? Dun, 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 dun. Get the tallest floor for two. I want to talk.
Well, we're going to do it this way.
Breakthrough. We got some strength to power the lamp. Can you get this? I'm going downstairs. Brent, look!
Definitely taking a lot of doctoring on this.
Don't let go! This is a closet. Don't let it go. Kiki, look. I got what he was asking for now. Now, give it to me. Straight time for a sprint. I can't wait much longer. Come down here and get it. Let's both hold it.
Well, I think that's all the doctoring I can do. Definitely did not have enough paint for that.
200.
Let's see. Got some blank canvas around the sides.
Switch for ground for head. Whoa. Hey, you're sitting on mine. I guess
Starting to get some spots and dots in here.
Can I have that when I beat it up to it?
Okay, G-Kid 2, come here.
Grab it. So you can go. Oh! Ow! Look at my...
Got some movement there.
Yes. Hi!
There we go.
This has been Kreations.
Alright.
Don't worry. Pull with me.
Well, looks like we will stop there and see how it comes out.
Switch.
Definitely need to work with more paint next
I
time.
need an exercise.
Slowly finding my way here, but this is definitely looking good. Everything, so we'll check it out after it dries. Thank y'all for joining Kim's Kreations again, or Kreations by Kim, whatever my name is, you know. Hey, check you later. Bye.
No.